Hi, this is Jay Jenkins of Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make sure that the Pearson MyLab and Mastering link is available inside of your Blackboard course. Sometimes the tools or the content is not turned on, and in order to turn them on, you'll want to go to your course. So pick any course that you're currently teaching. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this one right here. And once you're inside the course, you'll want to navigate on your left side navigation bar to the customization area. So what we're looking for now is if for some reason, if you go to Course Tools, and when you go to Course Tools, if you do not see the Pearson MyLab and Mastering link right here, sometimes it won't be there, then what you'll do is you'll scroll down further to Customization. And then open Customization and you'll go to Tool Availability. And you click on Tool Availability, and from here you'll look for the Pearson MyLab Mastering content links on the left side here. So as I scroll down, I'll finally come to Pearson MyLab and Mastering content. You want to make sure this is checked and that this is checked. Oftentimes this is not checked, which means that you won't find the link in that Course Tools area that we were looking at a moment ago right here. So notice if it's unchecked, then we won't see it. It'll disappear if I saved it. So all you want to do is go to Customization, go to Tool Availability, find the Pearson links right here, and then make sure that Tools is checked and Content is checked. And then what you'll do is you'll go down to the bottom here and click Submit. Once you've done that, the Course Tools, the Pearson link should show up in the Course Tools area, which will be right here. And then when you click on that, you'll be able to connect your Pearson content to your course. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a good day.